Milestone BPO, where the stars align. Remote jobs waiting just a click away. Join us on YouTube, let's make today our day. Work from the couch, the kitchen, the bed. Typing out dreams, let the future be read.
Hey everyone, welcome back to click2earncrypto.blogspot.com by Milestone BPO and Freelancing on YouTube. Today, I've got something super exciting for all you freelancers and remote workers out there. In this video, we are going to kickstart telling you about what is Binance and how you can earn free crypto earnings by doing simple tasks daily, anytime, and from anywhere to make your journey to freelancing more rewarding and exciting. So stay around, hit that like and subscribe and stay with me till the end of this video. Today, we're diving into Binance WODL, a fun and rewarding way to earn free crypto daily without any investment. Let's jump right in. First up, what exactly is Binance WODL? It's a minigame where you guess mystery words related to trending crypto themes for protecting your assets. Example of theme: protect your assets can be like vigilance, security, defense, risk, link. Likewise, you need to guess words close to theme idea. You can be asked for 3 letters word to 8 letters word anytime during the challenge. So simple, judging is easy peasy to make money on Binance. By participating, you can earn free cryptocurrency rewards like BUST and USDT rewards. It's not just fun but also educational, keeping you updated on the latest crypto trends while you earn. So why should freelancers and remote workers join Binance WODL? For starters, you can earn free crypto rewards daily in a number of ways, starting from claiming red packet codes to participating in Binance airdrops. Binance Earn by staking and participating in quizzes on Learn and Earn. Right to earn on Binance Square by socializing and creating informative articles for promotion and educational purposes. No investment needed, absolutely $0 spent. Plus, you'll be up to date on crypto buzzwords like metaverse and NFTs while earning rewards. And the best part, you can play WODL anytime, anywhere, making it perfect for those busy freelancing schedules. Alright, now let me guide you on how to get started with Binance WODL. Step 1. Create a free Binance account using the referral link in the description. Make sure to complete your KYC to unlock full access to Binance features and rewards. Step 2. Play the WODL game. Head over to the Binance WODL section under More, WODL. Guess the mystery words related to the weekly theme like metaverse. Get 5 correct answers during the activity period to qualify for a share of 5,000 BUST in token vouchers. Want to unlock a second WODL game daily? After your first game, just click Get a New WODL. Share one of the selected articles on your social media. Once the shared link is clicked, you'll unlock a second WODL game for the day. Easy peasy. Here's a sweet bonus for new users. Earn 10% off trading fees. Register using the referral code WODL or the link in the description to get 10% off spot trading fees after completing KYC. Freelancers, use this bonus to save on trading fees while exploring crypto investment opportunities. Now let's talk about the key features of Binance WODL. You get daily rewards by playing up to 2 WODL games. Each week focuses on a trending crypto topic like metaverse, NFTs, or blockchain. It's a free way to learn and earn without any upfront cost. An example: guess 5 correct words related to the metaverse. You'll qualify for a share of 5,000 BUST in token vouchers. Play 2 WODL games daily to maximize your rewards. Here are some tips for success in Binance WODL. First, read the articles to stay informed about the weekly theme. Share those articles on social media to unlock a second WODL game. And act quickly. Rewards are distributed on a first-come, first-served basis. So why join Binance WODL? Earn daily by playing a fun game. Stay updated on crypto trends like metaverse, NFTs, and blockchain. It's perfect for freelancers looking to earn extra income without any investment. Finally, how do you redeem your rewards? Rewards are distributed within 1 week after the activity ends. Go to Account Reward Center to claim your token vouchers. Remember to redeem them within 14 days to avoid expiration. We have started a special section for daily WODL answers. Visit our blog, click to earncrypto.blogspot.com to get complete information about WODL as a beginner to getting answers all at one place. You can also explore other interesting articles on new Telegram and non-Telegram airdrops opportunities to make the most of it. All these are good opportunities personally worked with good results. If you have any questions, you can write to me by email to genuineconversions@gmail.com. Also, subscribe us on our YouTube channel. Here we not only upload videos, but also use the community space to keep you informed about new and exciting opportunities in remote jobs and freelancing with free airdrop opportunities within Binance and more, all without investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and tricks. Until next time we meet, keep learning and keep earning like the rising stars. See you in the next video.